Welcome back to another edition of JJ's PC Builds. This is your boy JJ right here. I kind of switched the camera view up just to let you know, so that way y'all can see me a little bit better instead of me having to go off like this or that. But anyway, I got a little something for you today, so stick around, don't go anywhere, don't touch your dial. We got more for you right here. We're going to go ahead and roll this B-roll right here. So stick around. We got more right here at JJ's PC Builds. Alrighty, welcome back. The reason why I have a problem talking today is because I'm still waiting to see the dentist. You know how that goes. It's going to take a month and a half to see the dentist, so I got to deal with this right here. So if I look like I talk funny, well, that's the reason why, because I got a bad tooth in my mouth. That's because it's the dentist's fault for drilling my teeth when he was not supposed to. I'm just going to give you that little insight. He drilled 5 of my teeth. 5. And, you know, the thing is this. He was only supposed to pull one tooth. One tooth. But he drilled 5. And now I got to deal with 5 headaches in my mouth. So, and 1 cracked tooth. So, I didn't come here to tell you all about that. What I did want to tell y'all is this. What I've been doing is I've been making sleep videos, and I don't want y'all to get it wrong or anything else. I was making sleep videos for, you know, the extra, because I know a lot of people love the sleep videos and everything else. So I decided I'm going to put a mix of sleep videos in, you know, for y'all's viewing pleasure, as well as me doing commentary for PC building, as well as doing PC builds, as well as doing Second Life. You know, I'm putting it all in one ball of wax. I don't want to have 4 or 5 channels. Okay, I'm going to be honest with y'all. I just want one channel to deal with, and that's it. End of story. So I'm putting everything in on one channel. One channel. Not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5. One channel. So this way, for your viewing pleasure, you can see everything. Instead of going from channel to channel to channel, I'd rather have everything on one channel. Okay, so far as my niches, okay, I got multiple niches, so I'm putting it all on one channel. I have one main channel niche, and that's multiple niches, if that makes sense to you. But, you know, if y'all are loving my videos, make sure you subscribe. And if y'all are really loving my videos, make sure you put a like on them. And if y'all are really loving my videos, make sure you watch them from the beginning to the end. You know, I'm trying to build this channel to make it higher. I'm still working at the 1,000 subscribers. We're getting there. We're at 16, and you know, I want to thank you, the 16 subscribers so far, and the new ones, new people watching my videos. I would love for you to be a subscriber, just to let you know. And if you watch my videos from A to Z, I know some of them don't make a whole lot of sense to y'all right now, but the thing is this. In time, they will start making perfect sense to you, so you'll understand them better. Right now, I got things going on to where it's a little wish-wash, you know, but I promise you it will get better, and I promise you I will keep working hard to make it better and to make this channel grow. I want to get as treat everybody as a family member. So if you just subscribe to the channel, make sure you let me know, because we have a new let me look at this real quick. I think let me remember. See, YouTube put out the community. Oh, hush. I got me on the front page of my my page. But there's a community tab. Okay, the community tab is open to everybody. If you want to leave a comment or something in the community tab, you're free to, just as long as we all keep it clean and, we all keep it on a family basis, of what you want to watch and everything else. When it comes to PC building, you can throw me a couple ideas in there, and I'll be more than happy to respond in the community chat. I did put one post up in the community chat for you all, so I did get it started. We are going to be doing polls on different videos, which ones you like and don't like, and stuff like that. And also, too, the more people we get onto the channel, the better we're going to be, because I want to start doing live videos. If we get 100 subscribers onto the channel, let's just say 100 subscribers, I'll start doing live weekly live videos. And we'll go through the A to Z, and if y'all got questions or comments, we'll have that open for you. And do remember, the new people watching this video right now, I'm not charging you to subscribe. I'm not charging you to like the videos. It takes 2 seconds to subscribe. It takes 2 seconds to like, and it takes however long time for you to watch the video from A to Z. And it's not hard. I mean, this will help us get on the road. And also, to when you join and you're on my page, JJ's PC Builds, you can hit that subscribe button. If you're on a TV, let's say you're on a TV watching YouTube, you can always go to my icon that's on the video that you're watching, and you can always hit subscribe there as well if you're on a regular TV. If you're on a computer, it's the same thing. You can always hit that subscribe button, and on a phone you can do the same, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. We want to get this channel rolling. We want to get things going. I'm putting multiple things together for you all. As you can see, I got over close to 80 videos. Just to let you know, close to 80 videos. We are working up there. We are trying to push for as many videos as we can, so that way you all can see we are keeping proactive on things, and we're keeping consistent here, which I'm the only one doing this right now until I can build up and get things going the right way. In time, I'm hoping that I'll have more partners in crime here. I say partners in crime. I always say partners in crime. It's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. I love working with people. I've worked with, in hospitality, in 35 years, I've worked with many of people, trained many of people, met a lot of people all over the world. And if y'all see my face right here, then you know who it is. You know what time it is. If you see my face over the period of years in hospitality, you know who I am. So make sure you subscribe too. I know sometimes this is a little bit of a confession. Yes, I do have medical issues. I have ADHD, I have epilepsy, I have blood clots on my lungs and stuff like that. I do have multiple medical problems. But this is just to let y'all know I am still here, and I'm going to keep pushing these videos, and I'm going to keep working on this channel. I'm not going to stop. Okay, I'm not going to kick off the bucket anytime soon, but I'm just letting you know that, what's going on with me. So this way, personally, you can get to know me a little bit better. So this way, I'm not some creepy old guy that's like a creepy old Joe or something. I'm not a creepy old guy. Okay, I'm going to tell you that right now. I'm not that way. I'm just an honest, hardworking person that's trying to bring these videos to you to let you know what I'm all about, and give you a story. Try to give you a story in my own way, but, it's a little bit difficult for people to sometimes understand where I'm coming from. Maybe because I'm a Floridian and, people are not understanding. Well, why is that guy in California if he's a Floridian? Well, I'm in California. I did a lot of traveling in my time. But I wound up in California because they got, I don't know, for some reason I wound up here. Don't judge me on it. Okay, but I'm here and I'm doing these videos for you. I'm doing sleep videos for you. I'm doing multiple videos. I'm doing PC build videos. I'm doing Second Life videos. I have folders. I have these things in folders for you. If you go to my playlist, you can see in my playlist. Now, you can see all the different folders I have in there. So, but as time goes on, just to let you know, as time goes on, and I get to know the peeps that are here, the family members that are here on this channel, what I'll start doing is I'll start getting the links to, if you got a YouTube channel, in time I'll start linking, your channel up on my channel, so this way, you'll get that advertisement as well, and start, doing the family thing, making everybody feel warm and welcome and everything else. So, don't feel like that, I'm a creepy old guy. I'm not. I just like having fun. I like doing things, and showing y'all and taking y'all along the way, the things that I do here. And yes, you see behind me, this is a small studio apartment. Okay? And I'm doing everything out of my studio apartment right now, just to let you know. Yeah, I got my bed behind me, but I did tell you all I'm going to be doing a remake of this apartment, so you all have to wait, and when I get ready to do it, you all will come along with me, and I'll take you step by step, everything that I do right here, and you can see the details. I love the details. I'm that kind of person that loves to give you the details, And also, too, I'll take you along the way when I repair my one monitor that's sitting right where the camera is. I'll take you all along the way when I get the parts for repairing that project. Because what happened is that the MOSFETs went bad on the power board, so I have to order a new power board to replace the one that's in there, and I'll take you all along to show you what how I got there and everything else. So you can see that some monitors, that monitor I got, it was in 2004. Damn! And it just bit the big one. So I opened it up, I looked inside there, and I found out what the problem was. I looked online. It's going to take a little time to get the parts, so do stick around for that. We do got more coming up for you. But anyway, I don't want this video becoming a forever video. I wanted you guys to be more comfortable, to come on my channel, to like and subscribe, and watch all the videos, and feel comfortable. I don't want you to come on my channel not feeling comfortable, because I know out in this world is not, there's a lot of craziness in this world right now, and that's what I try to keep out of this channel, is the craziness. I do admit I got, one about video cards nightmare, but that's just to give you all a little insight and a little bit of entertainment, you know what I mean? So, but anyway, I don't want to make this too long. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and also to watch it to the end. This way, when you watch the videos, you watch them from the beginning to the end. That puts time to get us up on the board. You know how YouTube is. To become a creator, you got to go through 1,000. You have 1,000 subscribers, and you got to have 4,000 watch hours on your videos from other subscribers and or non-subscribers. I would love to have subscribers. More and more the better. I got 16, and I do thank you for sticking around and seeing what's going to happen with us, and just thank you. And as the channel grows, more things will be happening. So, but anyway, until the next video, this is JJ, your boy. We will see you then.